Hello everyone. In this video, I will give a honest review to this parcel. I bought on AliExpress recently. Impressive as I have seen this item in perfect condition and well packaged as inspired. It's funny guys, I know that most are familiar with this one, especially to students like me. It's a long-term saving substantial significant for long time and run. In our post-pace world today, it's easy to reach for what's convenient. The best solution is this item, guys. This is notebook. Refill, guys. Loose leaf notebook binder. Refill this item. This preferred is you want. Convenient size for the go use, too easy to organize with index divided. What the best in using is, guys, it is effortless to add of remove pages, makes the staying organized, a breeze, customable, leather design, durable, long and lasting. If you want college student, this is the one suitable for you as a student. This kind of product is perfect. Also, if you're using a get pen on high 10. It does not leak through the back of the paper. Lastly, the quality of paper is perfect. Not too thick, neither too thin. You don't need to buy a lot. With this, you can just refill it whenever you can out of papers. That the advantage of this is noticed to these items, guys. Versatile size option, great for project planning. It looks sleek, modern, sturdy, durable design. I think it made of high quality materials, perfect for note-taking, journaling. This one, guys, is paper saver, designed to be used over and over again. The durability means your notebook will continue to look good and for change well, as no matter how often you use it. So guys, if you want to accommodate numerous notebook and mention a single high quality one, check purchase this on AliExpress, and they have offering super saving deals to end this. This one is excellent value for the piece of super recommend able this for now, guys. Thank you.